If you've ever wondered how to do a honey baked ham, I'm going to show you right now. This is my ham. It is covered in brown sugar, and I have my cloves. I have my favorite torch, and we are going to just set it on fire. So you want the sugar to caramelize, and as it's caramelizing, some of it's going to run down the other side of the ham. The clove is what gives it flavor. A little burnt clove don't hurt because it makes the flavor come out of the cloves a little bit more. And as you can see, it's caramelizing as it's running down. Put that back in. There we go. All right. And now it's all caramelized on there. We're going to put that in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour.